So a country in war is resilient enough to call the entire world to act on mental health. I think the role of international organization is to cover the gaps that the government identify, catalyzing this knowledge. Since we are going through a recovery phase, of stabilization of communities, we shouldn't forget the fact that after a war, unfortunately, also internal divides and internal conflicts start to be there. So it's good from the very beginning to address this issue. Our competitive advantage comes from the fact that we have done this in other countries before, and that we have a network of experts that can help the government, to strengthen